In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit metadata in Lightroom Mobile so you can update important photo details like the title, caption, copyright, and location in just a few taps. This is really useful if you want to keep your images organized, add professional information, or prepare your photos for sharing online. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you, please hit like and subscribe for more quick Lightroom tips and editing guides. All right, let's jump right in. First, open the photo you want to edit inside Lightroom Mobile. You can do this from your library by tapping on the image you want to work with. Once the photo is open, look for the info icon, which is the little eye symbol. Tap that to open the photo details. Inside the info panel, you'll see the metadata section. Tap on metadata to view the editable information attached to the image. This is where you can make changes to the details that appear with your photo. Now start updating the fields you want to edit. You can change the title to give your image a clear name. You can also edit the caption if you want to add a description, credit, or extra context for the photo. If you want to improve searchability or organization, add keywords as well. These are especially helpful if you manage a large photo library or need to find images quickly later. If your version of Lightroom Mobile includes location or copyright fields, you can update those too. Adding copyright information is a smart way to protect your work and show ownership. Location details can also be useful if you want to organize travel photos, event photos, or client work by place. Take a moment to review everything carefully before saving. Once you're happy with the changes, tap the checkmark or save button to apply the metadata updates. Lightroom Mobile will store the new information with your image, making it easier to manage and identify later. Now, one important thing to keep in mind, some EXIF data, like camera settings, shutter speed, aperture, and other original capture details cannot be edited in Lightroom Mobile. That information comes directly from the camera file, so it stays locked in place. But for things like title, caption, keywords, copyright, and location, Lightroom Mobile makes it simple to update them anytime. And that's it. You've now learned how to edit metadata in Lightroom Mobile in a quick and easy way. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more Lightroom tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.